The Tesla Model 3, unveiled in 2016 and delivered to customers starting in 2017, is Tesla's answer to the growing demand for a more affordable, yet high-performance electric vehicle. Positioned as a compact sedan, the Model 3 is designed to offer the benefits of electric propulsion, such as zero emissions, lower operating costs, and impressive acceleration, to a broader audience. The vehicle's sleek, minimalist design features a glass roof extending from front to back, providing a sense of openness and modernity. Inside the Model 3, the interior follows a minimalist approach, with the focal point being a 15-inch central touchscreen that controls virtually all of the car's functions. This interface simplifies the user experience and reduces the clutter typically found in traditional vehicle dashboards. The cabin is spacious and comfortable, with ample legroom and storage space, making it practical for both daily commuting and longer trips. Performance-wise, the Model 3 does not disappoint. It comes in several variants, including the Standard Range Plus, Long Range, and Performance models. The Long Range model can travel over 350 miles on a single charge, while the Performance variant accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds. The dual-motor all-wheel drive option provides enhanced traction and handling, making the Model 3 suitable for a variety of driving conditions. Tesla's commitment to safety is evident in the Model 3, which has earned top safety ratings from multiple agencies. The car features a rigid structure with a low center of gravity, thanks to its battery pack placement, which improves stability and reduces rollover risk. Standard safety features include automatic emergency braking, collision avoidance, and lane departure warning. Autonomous driving capabilities are another standout feature of the Model 3. With the full self-driving (FSD) package, the car can perform complex maneuvers such as navigating on highways, changing lanes, and parking. Regular over-the-air updates continually enhance these capabilities, ensuring that the car evolves with advancements in technology. In summary, the Tesla Model 3 combines affordability, performance, and advanced technology, making it a compelling choice for those looking to transition to electric vehicles. Its blend of practicality, safety, and cutting-edge features positions it as a leader in the compact sedan market, appealing to a wide range of consumers seeking a modern, sustainable vehicle.